Hey, it's just Corey here from Boundary. Just going for a drive down the highway here. I'll get up to 100K and then I'll just kind of hold the phone or just set it somewhere, and then you can just tell if a vibration or the wind noise. All right, I'll just be quiet now. Okay, so as you can tell, I don't feel any vibration here at all. And as for the wind, you can see it's kind of blowing snow right now, fairly windy. Yeah, you can't really hear any noise in here at all. It's actually really quiet, so I'll download this again and send it off to you right away. All right, thanks, Evan. Talk to you soon. Bye.